It's Bodie Freeman here, also known as Bodie Freeman, and we're here to play Gary's mod, and I'm just going to survive a tornado on this map. It's called Tornado Valley, I think, and it's going to find the house, but I need to oh yeah, I need the car. I think there's a house this way. Oh, let's go this way. Ah! Oh! Ow! It's turning. A fence? Aww. I hate fence. Okay. I always miss them. I'm gonna miss it. Oh, got it. There's a house up here. Yeah, here's the house. Or there's a car up here already. I might get into the garage. Get in the house. Yeah, sorry man, that's good. Okay, I found my house and we're going to spawn a tornado. Let's start with an F1. I can actually put tornadoes in here like if I want to. Start with an F0, guys. Here we go. No, not an F1 and F0. Here we go. Oh my god. There's the noise. Ah. I need to get in the bathroom. In the bathroom. Ah! Window broke. Take this car. Take the car, tornado. Take the car. Take the car. Downhill. Let's chase it. Get to the tornado. Get out of here. Oh god, I can't see. What? Whoa! Oh man. Ugh. Let's get out. Get the car. Throw it out. Ugh. Ugh. I'm scared of the tornado. Let's get back to the house. Oh. Oh. No, I can just fly. Wait, I'm just going to... No, never mind. What's over here? Oh. Oh, man. That's a big... No, that's an F1. It's destroying the gas. No, it's trying to get to the house, get to the house, get into the house. Get to the house, get to the house. They're coming to the house? I thought the door was smacked. Okay, yep. It's glitchy. That is really weird, guys. See that? That is pretty glitchy. Oh man. Can you suck up this tornado? Tornado, can you suck up this? Tornado, suck up this. Suck up this. I was gonna suck this up, please. Oh yes. Oh my god. Let me get Old Man Jenkins. Where's Old Man Jenkins? Here he is. Old Man Jenkins. Get into the tornado. Oh man. Oh my god. Old Man Jenkins is flying. Oh. Oh my god. I got sucked in. Ow. Ah. I landed in the water. What is this? Let's get the tornado. Oh my god, the tornado's right there. Oh, no. No. Oh man. Oh, there's my house. Oh. Oh no. Get to the house. My house is this way, I think. My desk. My desk. Who cares about my desk? Oh, geez, that went far. Oh well. Into the tornado. Is it gone? It's gone. Goodbye, tornado. I know there's like a thingy over here. Yeah, there it is. I think I'm crazy that I'm walking over here, but no, I'm not. Man, changes, and it's like a bunker. I had to go in here. Hey, that wall looks like from the Stanley Parable. I played Stanley Parable before, but I might actually like to do it. I just never have done it on YouTube, okay? Yep, here we are. I know there's like a thingy that you fall into. Oh no. Nah, I was not really. Like right here. Oh. Oh, tornado shouldn't make it flying. I'm doing that at 5. Okay, let's get to the house. Nothing up. Anyway. There's a tornado. I'm in the house. So I'm just gonna pretend that I have no idea that anything's happening. Oh, an apple. Let's eat the apple. Okay. Got fried egg. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, you're everywhere. I'm just messing around. Yeah. The eggs everywhere. Let's get my health up to 9,000. I know I hit McDonald's, but in the game it like gives you a lot of health. A lot. It's lagging. Okay. No. Sounds like glass. Eat them all. Oh my god, I'm over 4,000. And what? Sorry. Oh no, the tornado. Ah, Get in the bathroom! There's a tornado! Oh, God. I didn't make it, the thing crushed me. Oh, there's my car. My car. Oh. Guys, I had to fly back to the house. So, what is this thing that's laying on top of the roof? Oh, these things that are right next to the house. Oh, man. Get them out of here anyways. Oh, my God. Just get them out of here. I pick up the tree. I can pick up this. Where's it going? Oh, my gosh. Oh. Okay, I'm just killing myself. I need to get back to the house and do stuff. Get my car back in the house. Perfect. Okay, let's get that in the house. Man, it's a mess in here. Just destroy all the things. What happened here? This is the room I was in. Let's destroy this. Okay, we're going to restart the game. That is just like a prank one. I need to abuse her with that element. Now it's restarted.